push up on your back arm. Whoa. You're not gonna do it. Come on, go back, go back, go back, go back, go back. Alright guys, so while I'm in the paint booth, it's time to knock out another piece of the Bronco after we did the repair work. I got the roof out. The roof I've got painted on the inside already. And now I need to wet sand the outside. I've already done that, but it's been sitting for several months, so now we're cleaning it up, wiped it down, and now I'm going back over it with 600, and I'm getting it ready for the sealer, color, and clear, and then it'll be done. I can go ahead and put it on the vehicle and start doing the headliner then, if we choose to do a headliner in this. So let's sand this thing down some more and get it ready for some paint. From this point, I've already blocked it over and over and over, and there was a few spots that I went through the primer on, or I didn't really go through. So I hit those areas, those bare metal areas, with some DTM direct to metal primer, and I'm just going back over it with a 600 to smooth that stuff out. No major sanding, and I'll let this dry overnight. We'll blow it off, tack it up, and then I'll hit it in the morning with some color and let it sit all day, not touch it, and hopefully be ready to put it on. All right, let's finish this up. I know you've seen some of my other videos, painting videos. What I'm doing now is I've got two racks. One's got wax and grease remover on it, and I've got it folded over in quarters, and I'll use each quarter and then I'll fold it inside out. That helps make sure that the rag stays clean all the time. The other hand, I've got just a bare rag, doesn't have anything on it. So I wipe the wax and grease remover on, I loosen up the sanding residue, the primer, and then I wipe it off. Don't want to put too much pressure on this roof. There's no inner support, so I'm being careful about that. Wax on, wax off. Has anybody seen that movie? I bet you have. I'll do this a couple of times, and then I'll do it again right before I paint, in case I don't show you again. You see, you got both sides are dirty, folded inside out, and then you fold that inside out. So you get like 8 individual squares. Also, what I'm doing is, while it's shiny like this, I'm looking for any signs of deep scratches. I'm looking for any kind of dents or anything like that that might pop up. There you go. On to the next step. All right, so I planed it several times. I planed the top several times. Now I'm going ahead and back tape it because the inside is painted already. Painted the inside first because it's too much of an object to paint inside and outside. You have a lot of overspray. So let me get this taped up. One more wax and grease remove, wipe down, and then we'll seal it, paint it, clear it. All right, so what I've done right here, I've taped the inside to where the sticky part is out. All right, I made sure that the tape was good and sealed and I didn't have any air gaps in it. Here I've got the tape on the paper, as it comes out of the paper machine. And then I put sticky to sticky, and it sticks perfect. Very little pressure, and now it's a nice tight seal. That's how I back tape something. And we'll put another piece of paper here going down below, and then we'll tuck it in up underneath and tape it all together, and that keeps the turbulence and the air from getting up in the freshly painted part when we're painting up underneath this lid. The magic of video. Thanks, dear, for coming out and saving my skin. Got the top on the Bronco, and man, all I have to say is it looks cool. I love these colors together. Can't wait to see this thing finished. All right, let's get it bolted down and let's start putting some glass in it. Thanks for stopping by the shop today. We got a lot done with your help. I hope you enjoyed it. Now get out in the garage and go build something. See you on the next episode.